Hello everyone. Let's learn the ch and a th digraph sound, and we're going to name all the things that has the ch and a th sound. Are you ready? Let's go. We have two letters that make one sound. Letter C and a H together. They are special friends and they make the ch sound. Ch, ch. Now let's find all the things that has the ch sound. Chop, chop. Chips, chips. Chick, chick. Chess, chess. Chat, chat. Chin, chin. Chalk, chalk. Chair, chair. Cherry, cherry. Cheese, cheese. Fantastic. Well done, everyone. Great work. Well done. Hello, parents. Please visit my Etsy store where you will find many handmade resources created by an earliest teacher, that is me, to support your child's early reading, writing and math skills. These engaging and educational resources are designed to make learning fun and effective. I will leave the link below. I hope you like it. Thank you for your support. Now we have two more letters. Letter T and a H. T and a H together, they make one sound, and it's th, th, th. Now, let's name all the things that has the th sound. Bath, bath. Thick, thick. Think, think. Three, three. Thief, thief. Thin, thin. Thumb, thumb. Thorn, thorn. Moth, moth. Them, them. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done.